Datsun Redigo, manual, 2. 69,800 kilometers, genuine mileage, 3. Armrest, 4. Quality reverse cam, night vision, 5. Center lock, 6. Front power shutters, 7. Infotainment system, 8. Quality speaker set, 9. Spoiler, 10. Glass tinted, 11. Engine tune, up done last month, 12. New battery replaced, still in warranty period, 13. Brand new rear tire set, 14. Aftermarket stylish signal light set, 15. Sporty look seat cushioning done as shown on the images, 15. Stylish rim cup set, 16. All service records and certificates are available. Most of the services have done at AMW Company. Buyer can check it from the company records, 17. Full AC service done at 60,000 kilometers, 18. Home used vehicle, 19. Inspection place, Koswatta, Baththaramulla, Colombo, 20. Additional seat cover set free. Negotiations after inspection only. Genuine buyers warmly welcome. Call 0769890287. Please subscribe Anchorage Elk.